How to pause and resume while recording voice messages on WhatsApp. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can simply pause and resume while recording voice messages on WhatsApp. So I just opened WhatsApp application and now I need to open up some conversation, let it be this, and now I need to start voice recording. I just tap on this microphone icon, tap and hold, and then voice recording starts, and here I see this pause icon. When I tap on it, voice recording is on paused and I can continue it when I will ready. So I just tap on microphone button again to continue my voice message. I say something, then I tap pause again, and now my voice message is ready to be sent. To send message I need to tap on this button. Make sure you like this video if this information was helpful for you. See you next time.